All right. I'm going to work a couple of examples that are in some con exercises. Here is one problem right here, and it tells you that this is a straight angle, which means that this angle is 180 degrees. So I'm going to write the 180 degrees over here so we don't forget this. It says the measure of angle BOC is 6x plus 29. That means from this right here going up to this line, that angle measure is equal to 6x plus 29. They also have told us that angle AOB is 3x plus 124, which means this angle right here is the 3x plus 124. Well, we know that from here all the way over here is 180 degrees because they told us that this was a straight angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these two together and set them equal to 180. So I'm going to come up here and work it. I'll move my hand out of the way in just a minute when I've got it written down. So I'm writing 6x plus 29 plus 3x plus 124 is all equal to 180. Okay, so now I'm going to combine my like terms, which we know how to do. We do that as 9x, and then I'm going to combine my 29 and my 124. I don't have a calculator handy, so I'm going to add straight off to the side. So we have 153. So we are going to put that here, okay, and that is equal to 180. If you are trying to do these Khan Academies in your head, good luck with that one. Don't do them in your head, do them on paper. Okay, so if we have this lonely number right here, we want to move it to the other side. So we're going to do the opposite operation. So if it was added, we're going to subtract. So we have this over here. So I'm going to come over to 180 minus 153 and go ahead and subtract. Okay, so we get 27 degrees. So we have 9x. Actually, it doesn't really matter degrees or not. We get 9x equals 27. Then we divide by 9 to get x by itself. Sorry, I kind of ran into the line. And x is 3. But that's not our answer. What our problem was asking us is to find angle BOC. So we need to put it back into angle BOC. So this said 6x plus 29. So if x is 3, we're plugging that in. So 6 times 3, which is 18, plus my 29. Okay, so I'm going to add those two together, and I get 47 degrees is my answer that you're going to type in for angle BOC. All right, so that was one problem that I wanted to work out for you. Here's another type of problem, and they might ask you to solve for angle B. Well, from the videos that you have watched, you know this angle is equal in measure to this angle. Okay, if you ever wonder, you can always look at them, but don't ever get your protractor out and try and measure them. Protractor is not necessary here. You're either going to have an acute angle and an obtuse angle. Okay, in all of these 8 angles, they're either going to be acute, which means less than 90 degrees. So the smaller ones are kind of cute little angles. You should have learned this back in the 6th and 7th grade, so you might not remember it, but acute little angles are less than 90 degrees. And obtuse, you think of something that is obese, it's large, but obtuse is larger than 90 degrees. Okay, so that was a little extra. So angle B and angle A are equal. So my 8x minus 8 is equal to 5x plus 25. Okay, so I'm going to work this like a pre-algebra problem that y'all are so good at. I'm going to move the lonely number over. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And I'm also going to subtract my 5x and bring it to the left side. Okay, so it kind of looks like two lines of work, but basically this went away. And over here, this went away. Okay, so 8x minus 5x gives you 3x equals, on the right side of the equals, we come over here, and 25 plus 8 is going to give you 33. Okay, and you divide by 3. Okay, remember the reason that we divide is we were multiplying 3 times x, and we do the opposite that we're doing. Okay, so 33 divided by 3 is 11. So you now know x is 11. And if they asked for a, you're going to plug it into 8x minus 8. So 8 times 11 minus the 8. If they asked for b, you would do 5 times 11, because x is 11, plus 25. Hopefully that helped. And can you believe I'm using pen only so that you can see? So you don't be using pen. You need to be using pencil. All right. Miss you guys. Love you.